Eto bagong bukas na sa may Ross Boulevard na may fresh seafood, karaoke, pwede mag-fishing, may sayaw gabi-gabi, authentic Cantonese at saka Taiwan food, may darts, billiards, may arcade, tapos 100% consumable yung mga private rooms nila. Halos na sa 1,500 lang yan per head. Grabe dito, legit Szechuan hotpot yung matatry mo. Ang lambot ng meat tas humahagod. Dito lang yan sa may Shipport Restaurant. Nasa may Rojas Boulevard lang sila. Tapos malawak yung street parking dyan. Maganda yung rooms nila dito, pwedeng 10 to 25 packs. Changeable yung lights for different ambience. Tapos good for 4 hours yan. Yung room rate nila lahat yan consumable eh. May rooms na may darts, may rooms na may dining table. Nice dito kasi every night may ganap. May mga singers yan, may mga dancers din. Best to order dito is yung chicken stew nila. Ito curry vibe yan, savory at saka may konting kick. Sa seafood hotpot naman nila, ito masahog sa seafood. May clams, may shrimp, may octopus, may squid. Tapos sweet and sour yung soup niya. For plated, ito mas nasa affordable range. Sweet and sour pork, masarap at crispy. Shrimp ball, must order. Masarap to, moist. Solid shrimp meat yung gamit dyan. Crispy chicken, ito ang lakas maka-peking duck vibes. Ang crispy ng skin, though sana hoisin na lang yung dip. Chinese style spare ribs nila, saktong lambot lang, very minimal kick. For ihaw, okay yung enoki barbecue. Legit Chinese spices, masarap. Chicken wings sila surprisingly moist, sakto lang for me. Best to reserve dito kasi madalas naubos yung room reservation. Soon may pa-fishing din sila ng mga giant shrimps.